Hey, good morning, y'all. 9/11, 2017, the morning after Hurricane Irma. Got a little debris out here in the yard and in the driveway, but the main thing is that we're safe and sound. We still have power, thank God. I was planning on coming out here mowing the grass, but looked like Irma knocked that down pretty good for me. We still got a little rain coming in, some wind still blowing. Show y'all a little bit. You can see my umbrella is kind of, the wind is pushing it. Still can't get out and about in the city yet. They're still advising us to stay off the roads, but we still have a few hard-headed people. A lot of people still here in Tampa without power, but we are one of the fortunate ones to still have power. See a lot of people boarded up the houses. Let me see if I can zoom in a little bit for you. Yeah, a lot of people boarded up. Some of us didn't, like me. But for the most part, God was the shield for us. No doubt about that. Like I said, we're still getting some rain and still a little bit of wind blowing. All right. Like I said, we are safe and sound. Safe and sound. All right, y'all. I'll be checking back with you later. Peace.